Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about autofill function. Autofill function normally everyone knows. Suppose you want to use the numbers. Suppose you want to use the numbers, you can track it. You can drop and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. Or suppose you want to type 10, 20, 30. So you have to give the instruction 10, 20, 30 mean. So 20, 30 mean automatically the number will be increased to 10, 10, 10, 10 like this. Suppose if you are giving 10, 30, 50 or 10, 30, you are given 20, 20 increasing. So automatically it will come 10, 30, 50 like this. Or you are using 50, 100 like this. You can use 50 multiple of 50s, so you can get the numbers. This is called autofill by the numbers. Now suppose if you want to get the month, Jan, Feb, March, April, so you just type Jan and then drag, double click Jan, Feb, March. Or you want to get it done full January, February like this, you can type and take it. You can get entire word, not a three letters, you can get entire letters. This is another method. Same way, if you want to get Saturday, Sunday, Monday, if you want to drop down, you can get Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, again Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. If you are using single only three letters, only three letters only you want to use because of space, so you can get automatically Sunday, Monday. So how we can get the detail? How do we get the detail here? So we can get the detail automatically. It is already predefined in the autofill. This is the autofill detail. If you want to fill down, flash fill. So if you want to fill down, you can fill down here. Suppose if you want to customize, you can customize the fill down option also. If you want to customize, you can customize here. This is the advanced fill option. So this is the automatically data available in the. We can take the flash fill. Now we can do auto fill also. Suppose you want to take January, February, sorry, January only. Now you want to take all this down also, right side everything. You can copy and paste it down, and then you can copy the same. You can paste it in the right side also. So instead of doing this, we can do advanced filter. So Jan, okay, we are using shortcut key Control plus D. Control plus D is fill down. It is called to fill down. We want to fill down. You have to select the data. You can use Control D. Fill down. Suppose you want to fill right, the same. You can use Control plus R. D for down, R for right. That's all. Okay. Now we want to make it as right mean. You have to select the data. Control R. Control R, and then you have to select the data. Control R. So fill right, Control R mean fill right. So this is the automatical data. So suppose you are not remembering your password. Suppose you forget your password. Okay. What is the another way? You have forgot your password, your shortcut. You want to type the name Ramesh. Okay, now you want to fill down. You can use Control D, or you can use, you have to select the data, go to the home menu, go to the fill option, you can click down. What I have done? So you have to select the data, you can click home menu down. So instead of press Control D, you can use the manual option also. If you want to use right side, fill right. So if you select the entire data, fill right. Suppose you have the data here. If you want, you can use right, or if you want, you can use left here. Okay, suppose here the name is Ganesh. Okay, here name is Ganesh. You want to make the letter fill left. So you have to select the data, go to fill, go to fill, and then left. You will get the data. Suppose you want to get the data up. So you have to select up, fill up. So you have to select up mean you have to select one example, and then you can select the entire data, you will get up the data. So you can use down, right, left, up by using of autofill. This is the advanced autofill. You can use the autofill option. These are all flash fill, so everything will be predefined. That is why we can get the data. If we want to fill down the data on the right side, down, up, and left, we can use the autofill option. If you want to use the shortcut key, Control D or Control R. If you want to use the mouse, you can go home menu, go to the autofill option. You can use the fill option. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I hope this will be really helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.